In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to uninstall and remove apps on your Windows 10 or 11. So what you're going to do is we just come to this section here and we search uninstall. You can also search add or remove. Yeah, so you can see add or remove programs. Just open that. And now let's open that here. So you can see on this section, we have all the apps we have installed on this PC here. To uninstall anything here, all you have to do is you just select the app. Yeah, so I have Google Chrome installed here. Good. So I just tap on the three dots you see here. You can see uninstall, and then you tap on that to uninstall it. Simple and easy. So if you can't install, if it's a system app and you can't install it, I think I have a video on how to uninstall system apps like Microsoft Edge browser. You can check that out in this video's description. It's a long procedure. You can, check that out and then get to know how you can uninstall system apps that came with the Windows installed. But then for the normal apps we download, this is how we do it. You just tap on this here, you uninstall. You tap on this, you uninstall. Simple and easy. That's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.